I believe the gut is actually your primary brain and your brain is secondary.
That's accurate. If you don't have good gut health, you can't connect to your gut, which is a sort of a euphemistic way of saying you can't connect to your energy or your intuition. They're intimately connected.
Makes sense. I think when I'm operating my businesses, I really have come to realize how much there's that companionship between my intuition and my logic. And I admire it when I see it in others. And often many of the people that have accomplished long-term sustainable outcomes have a lot more of this in them than I think people realize. I believe that I use my gut to make every decision I make more primarily than I use my brain. I think I have tried to mute and offset my logical part of my brain to not allow it to be primary to my intuition. When I say something or someone else says something, I get goosebumps. All of my decisions are made by my gut, as you refer to, my instincts. I counter them with my logic, but my brain is a distant second to my gut. When my gut has been wrong and hasn't worked out, I've had tremendous peace of mind and it felt good. When my own brain or someone else's judgment or point of view dictates my actions and it fails, it is devastating to me because I did not die on my own sword. By the way, public service announcement, if you've not picked up day trading attention, you're making a massive mistake. The feedback is coming in heavily right now. So many creators, influencers, podcasters, vloggers, and Fortune 500 and 5,000 marketing executives and social media teams are really giving me flowers. So I just wanted to jump in here and say thank you to those people for the love on the Amazon reviews and all the emails and DMs. And for everybody who's watching who hasn't picked up one, the fuck are you waiting for? Once every 3 or 4 years, I have to do fucking headshots, and it fucking sucks. As you can tell, like, on phone at all times, operational efficiency matters. I think so many people are trying to figure out how to get things done, and they don't realize how many moments they waste in a day. And not that I'm like hyped that I'm head down on my phone all the time, but what I'm doing in these moments is like, I'm fucking operating, I'm making decisions, I'm collecting data. I feel like people would be stunned on how much time they waste if they watched a filming of themselves for 12 or 15 hours a day. I think this is where the mobile device has created incredible efficiency that we underestimate for the true operators out there. I believe my optimistic point of view on everything has an incredible impact on my health. Again, above my pay grade, not my interest graph, but I'm fascinated by gut health. I'm more personally fascinated by intuition and the fact that I believe the gut is actually your primary brain and your brain is secondary.
That's accurate. It really is accurate, more than you can appreciate, because if you don't have good gut health, you can't connect to your gut, which is a sort of a euphemistic way of saying you can't connect to your energy or your intuition. They're intimately connected.
Makes sense. If you haven't been to Little Maven yet, you're very much hurting my partner's feelings. David Rodolitz and Josh Capon, Chef Connor, they're all very mad at you right now. One of the great things about the VeeFriends NFT project is the access. So holders of specific NFTs in VeeFriends world were these different events that pop up, and here is an incredible evening of champagne and caviar, two of my favorite things in the world. Very bougie night at the Maven, but a great opportunity for business development, shaking hands, rubbing elbows, just nice inhuman time, community building, memory making. I enjoy these quite a bit. It's a lot of energy to be the center of attention of events like this, but to me, this is where you have an opportunity to really deploy community building, which I think has become a lost art. Everyone's kind of focused on scale and data and AI, and I think human touch is about to become even a bigger variable than it's been historically. If there's one recommendation I can make to entrepreneurs and creators that are watching this right now, do more quote unquote meetups. An incredible foundation of Web 2.0 in 2006, 7, 8, 9. A lot of people were able to build depth, not just width. There's this obsession with width right now, like I was just referencing earlier. I really, even just watching this right now, this depth thing is going to become a massive opportunity. So if you're lucky enough that you like people and you're an extrovert, lean into that and create these events. just do these things. Even though I'm in book mode on Day Trading Attention, it gives me real feelings towards the Thank You Economy, my second book that I ever wrote in the business world. I think it really has a parallel here. Before I sign off here, I would love to get your thoughts on the VeeCap. Obviously, I'm not doing Daily V as much because I'm in the office 12 hours a day in meetings and I don't want to bore you, but please leave a comment and let me know what you think about this video. Have the best night. Thank you for being here.